Hey Anna, how are you doing?
I'm doing well. How about you?
I am doing good as well.
You look a little bit worried. What happened?
Well, actually, for the last few days, I'm thinking about my future plan and career.
Easy. Just think of what you love to do and what kind of jobs you enjoy.
So, have you thought about your career plan?
Yes, I've already thought about it.
So, what's your future plan?
I've always loved animals, so I'm considering becoming a veterinarian.
That's awesome. Taking care of animals and helping them when they're sick sounds really fulfilling.
Thanks, Ethan. It's a dream of mine.
Great! You have a clear vision.
So, what about you? Have you decided your future plan yet?
Well, I've always been fascinated by computers and technology.
Well, then you should go for it.
Yeah. I think I will pursue a career in software development, or something related to IT.
That's cool, Ethan. Technology is becoming more important day by day.
That's true. But still confused about the job field.
Don't worry. You'll definitely have a lot of opportunities in that field.
Yeah, I hope so. I enjoy working with computers, so I'm excited to explore them.
Go for it. I wish you to have a bright future and a fulfilling career.
Thanks, Anna. May our dreams come true, and our careers bring us happiness and success.
I hope so. Well, I have to go now.
Okay. See you soon, Anna. Goodbye.
Okay, goodbye.